Hi friends, welcome to my craft room. This is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. I'm going to share some cards that I made from the pink Paislee paper by Paige Evans, Turn the Page. I used the paper for Turn the Page, and then I had stickers and some other random things, I think, that were from Whimsical. That's one thing to note. If you like things to match, but you don't find the matching parts, very often you can use paper and embellishments from a different collection by the same designer, same company, and the colors will match. Whimsical is more about crafting and art, and it has purple in it. So I really would have liked to find that paper, but I just couldn't find it, and I thought, let's use it up. I'm done looking. And then Turn the Page has a lot of this nice teal and greenish blue in it. So I mixed them together. You know me, I threw in some other things from my craft room too. Here's a scrap card that I made at the end. Bunch of cute scraps, a thankful die cut out of mirror paper, and a black die cut that I got in Happy Mail. I really like black on the pastels. It just gives such a fun accent. And I just realized that I don't have scraps on the inside of all these cards, so I'll have to go back and do that a bit. But I do have a few scraps somewhere, so I can probably make that work. I took a scrap of paper here and put it over. Christy Marcotte's been doing a lot of angled layer cards, and I really like those. I just forget to do them. I make a lot of very symmetrical cards, but really I like asymmetrical things, so I think I should make more. And this paper in the background has cute words on it in all different colors. This was an ephemera piece from the pack, mirror paper, die cut circle, and then layered up with the puffy stickers that went with Whimsical. These words are actually from an older Paige Evans collection that I did, but I still had them around. And again, very often a designer likes a style or a color palette so you can mix and match. I think this one turned out fun. I think I've already showed you this card. I made this before. Of course, it's my favorite because it has all the blue. So sorry that I mixed some in. I must have showed them in weekend updates or something. The stars were in the paper and I fussy cut them out and then added some puffies and random die cuts. There were a whole bunch of sentiments in these speech bubbles. I don't love speech bubbles, but I made them work. I didn't puff them up because I had already fussy cut them and I didn't feel like dealing with all of that. Change is good, and this beautiful floral. Don't let the sunshine ruin a rainy day. Always laughing. Here's one where I cut them in triangles and mixed and matched between cards. Open your heart to the new beginnings. And then I have a sticker from the collection across the line in the middle. I was trying something. Live in the moment. I have some mirror paper behind it and a bird. This one is probably the other half of these papers. Happy as can be. Again, I was trying something. The hexagons were a paper in the collection, and so I was fussy cutting them out to use those colors to soften it. Give a little bit of solid color so you can rest. Inhale the future, exhale the past. Angle cut. I don't like that I didn't cover up the seam. Lots of times I cover those up with washi. Birds, puffy stickers. I do not like this color that was in the pad, so I really struggled with this. Every day is a fresh start. I like the sentiment. Pretty, a bunny, that was in the ephemera pack, never a dull moment. This one I like. I had a nice clean seam on those triangles and it worked out really nice. Triangle cards are a fun way to mix things up. I think I did a bunch of them in a winter collection before and I liked them. You are stronger than you think, and I've fussy cut a bunch of flowers and put them on top of it, some mirror paper, and a nice floral. I really liked this floral. Miss You. This was down at the end. I was getting crazy. Paper airplanes. I used all the cloud stickers that were left, and I had some of that hologram star paper sitting there and grabbed a navy die cut. I believe in the good things coming. Here's an example of how you can use stickers if you don't think you like stickers, get creative. These are 2 different border stickers that came in it, and I layered them up for more interest. So I have the gold one behind, and then I put the floral one over. That actually turned out more fun than I expected. I was just forcing myself to use up the stickers. I die cut some flowers and layered them. There were these washi tape stickers in the collection, and I used some of the washi tape behind here to tone down that pattern. I believe in the good things coming. This was a border sticker. It also had a sentiment in the middle, but I was just trying to give this some emphasis as a focal point and some more flowers here. And I fussy cut these little tiny things. Oh my gosh, it was crazy. The color palettes that were mixed into here were a little different. You'll see some cards are super pastel, and then here I've used the red and the green and the yellow quite a bit. All the good things, wonderful, sunshine, the bird. There's a lot of gold foiling accent on this card. Oh, I like this one. I like the blue, the navy. So I have a navy background. The teacups were from this collection, and I fussy cut them all out of this paper. Tea or coffee cups, I guess. I love this life. Oh, what a day. Loving this. Wonder. I don't think this was necessarily all from the same collection, but it was all Paige Evans, and I just thought it went together great. Had fun with that one. This one, sometimes you miss. Great, see the good. I tried to use the frame again, but I don't think I toned down the pattern enough. This was at the end when I had some random stuff left. I started by layering on a hexagon with some washi and some flowers. That was going really well, but in the end, it doesn't pop. I could have used another layer that was a little bigger. Ooh, love this one. Blue, bias. Inhale the future, exhale the past. Even better than yesterday. I wanted to show you how they came. When you get a sticker collection and they have sentiments in the middle and then frames around them, doesn't mean you have to use it that way, right? Here's an example. This sticker came in there. Mix and match, do whatever. I think this one might have been in there. Yeah. I layered this on 2 die cuts and then put foam behind it. This was a flag in the sticker collection that I just loved and had to use. Even better than yesterday. It's the little things, lovely, and I fussy cut these birds. I did a lot of fussy cutting, and these are stickers from the collection here. I don't know if you can tell on camera. These are puffed up with foam. These are fussy cut and layered on. So I have different levels, and the best is yet to come is popped up. Artistic. This card focuses more on the ephemera pieces from Whimsical. Artistic, fun times, and the art supplies. This one was not a card that I thought I would like because it was using up these papers that just didn't speak to me. But in the end, I really like how this turned out. I was using up some of the clouds and some stars I had on the table. Trust the magic of beginnings. And I love this little fox. So I think this one turned out cute. And I was prepared to, it was just I want to use this stuff up kind of card. I hope you enjoyed those, and I hope you got some ideas. Don't be afraid to mix and match and use things up. We probably have plenty in our stash. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.